Hello my friends, welcome to my channel. This is Angela. I hope everybody's doing well. I am doing so like some of you have seen. I had sprained my ankle and I have to be at rest with my leg elevated. But I'm here and I want to thank all my subscribers and all the new subbies that I have in my channel. But I want to share with you a swap that I had in the Facebook group called Crafting and Writing and Painting. It's a close group. It's a very active group. And we did an event called God's Natures. And we needed to do some embellishments or whatever you wanted to do as a theme with nature. My partner is Cynthia H. Smith. She sent me this humongous box that I can't Cynthia, what have you done? So inside that humongous box was this box. I'm going to put it this way so you guys can appreciate how beautiful it is. I don't know if it even fit on frame. It's a beautiful, I like the pinks, the shabby. It's a beautiful box. It's a beautiful box. I haven't opened the box yet because I want to open the box and be as surprised as you guys are going to be. Cynthia, your package is on the way. I have to send you a copy of your receipt. I couldn't mail it until today because due to my condition that I sprained an ankle. Was a stupid thing, but I sprained my ankle and I have to have my leg elevated and at rest. So let's just see what the damage is done here, because I am so afraid to open this box because I didn't send you a box this big, Cynthia. I don't know, you're scaring me. Oh my Lord. Oh no. Look at this, guys. Look at this. This box is full to the top. Oh my God, Cynthia, what have you done? Oh my God, everything is so pretty that I don't even want to touch it. Everything is so nice. Even the paper is pink and white. Oh my God, Cynthia, what have you done? Oh my God, let's see. I don't know if I want to leave the box here. I think I don't even know what to do. I'm so overwhelmed. It's so pretty that I don't even know how to do this. Okay, maybe I will put the box at the side and start getting things out. It got some of this shredded paper in pink. And the first thing I found is this little box. I'm so afraid to open the box. Oh my God, and it's full of flowers. She cut flowers of all colors and put it in here. Isn't that pretty? And I bet this is graphic 45 paper And if it's not, it's such a beautiful paper. Look at this presentation. It got squished a little bit in the box, but I can fix it. So she sent me die cuts of flowers in here. Then she sent me a one, a beautiful one. I think this butterfly goes like this, or maybe like that. Don't know. This is a one, and it has wild orchid flowers and this beautiful glitter butterflies. And then it has April. That's my birthday, my month, and a ladybug. Isn't this beautiful? Look at the details on this. Beautiful. I'm gonna move this out of the way. So she sent me that. And where did I put the other little box? We were supposed to send 20 items, but small items, not, here's another box made with the same paper. And it had my initial in pearls. Oh my Lord. This is so beautiful, Cynthia. Oh, it's a monogram. And then she sent me white chocolate mocha black tea. Isn't that some tea in there? And then she put this die cut of a squirrel. And then she glued inside, I don't know if you can see it through the box, but there's an owl inside the opening of this. I'm going to put it close so you can see it. I hope the glare. So she sent me this pillow box with this inside, little chipmunk with a T and my monogram. Oh, this is so beautiful. I don't know what else to do. Oh my Lord. Look at this. Oh my God, I don't know if I'm gonna cry. This is so beautiful, Cynthia. She used a washcloth and she made a little bunny. Oh my God, Cynthia. You went so far beyond. Oh my God, you're so talented. I can't believe. Look, it has a little cottontail. It has flowers. And then the eyes and the whiskers. And it's a girl. It's a lady bunny. Because it got a bow. And then look at the flowers on the back. Oh my God. I don't know what to say. I am so tearful, but I'm so grateful. Okay, then she put inside this 2 paper clips, and it's a couple. It's a bunny. This is the male, and this is the female. And this says things, and you can open and write something in there, and it's like a flower. Oh God, this is so beautiful. Oh, my hands are so shaky because I'm so excited. Oh, Cynthia, I never, oh my God, the deeper I go inside here, oh my gosh. Oh, no, 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 no. Doesn't, I'm gonna get you, Cynthia, because this is so pretty. I know she told me something. She told me something about, look at this. Look at this. If you can see me now, Cynthia, I'm crying, but I'm crying of happiness. You put so much love on this, and these are my favorite colors, and I love fairies, and I told her I liked the enchanted nature, but this is not all. She talked to me. I know this has inside here somewhere, let me see if I can find it. Look at this. It has a light that change colors. Oh my God. I don't know what to say. I'm speechless. Cynthia, oh my God. This is so beautiful. This is stunning. Oh my God, look at that fairy. I'm gonna try to put it as close as you can without the glare so you guys can see it. And look at all those flowers on the top, and look at the back of the jar. Look at that green. Oh my God. Oh, Cynthia. She got me some hand lotion. Cherry blossom scented with a bird and nature on it. I think I'm gonna start moving things out of the way because I need some room. Okay, I'm gonna put this here, and I'm gonna move these things out of the way. I am so overwhelmed. She sent me a pocket letter also on top of everything. Look at this pocket letter. Oh my God. Look at this. I know this is graphic 45 paper. I know it is. I don't know which line it is, but I know it is graphic 45. She did a shaker here. She put a butterfly. Here is, I will have to move this out of the way. Here is the first tags, all nature related, all layered. Here is the second, and she did a shaker spot here, and she put a lot of butterflies and a ladybug, and then here it's more. So this is the pocket letter. So in the back she put leaves, and she put ladybugs, and these are a little house and buttons on it. Oh God, this is so beautiful. This is my second pocket letter. I received one pocket letter for a friend, and I never done a pocket letter. This is so stunning, Cynthia. Cynthia, thank you, thank you, thank you from the bottom of my heart. This is so precious. You went so far beyond. Oh my God, that I can't. And oh, oh God, oh, she went. She sent me some washi, and I don't have this washi. It's gold, and it's silver. But look at this. She took a mitten and a pot holder and made it like a loaded envelope. She put there this is attached with something, some butterflies. She made me these tags, handmade by, I think that's how she signed, Cynthia. Look at these tags. I never seen anything like this. And here is one with butterflies. And here's the back. And this is graphic 45. I knew it. I knew it. And it is oh my God, I don't know what collection. I think it's not the botanical, but and look at this one. Oh my God, this is so beautiful. Oh, Cynthia, what have you done? She sent me this Bible journaling stamps. The true will set you free. Peace be with you. Rejoice. Praise. Amazing grace. Miracles. God with us. You're making me so happy, Cynthia. This is, I shouldn't be crying, but it's just I never expected this much. She sent me a calendar from 2017 to 2018. And then inside, hello, my crafty friend. Oh, Cynthia, thank you so much. I'm so sorry. I get so emotional. Oh my God, look at these. Look at these crosses. Oh my God, Cynthia, this is so beautiful. She put a little beautiful honey-do list that I'm gonna use with my husband for sure. And it's adorable. It has the bee. And you can put your things here. This one is another pack of stickers with nature's animals. So I'm going to put everything back here again the way it was. Oh my God, my heart is racing. I never done a swap. You're so generous. Oh my God, Cynthia, I don't have words to express how grateful I am. Oh my God. She sent me an elegant writer. This is to write do hand lettering. She sent me this 3 roses. Oh my God, and my favorite chocolate. Oh my God. Cynthia. Oh, you were on top of every detail. She asked me what color my kitchen was, and I says, why did she wants to know? So I want to put everything back the way it was, because I swear that this is one of the most beautiful swaps that I had in a long time. I don't do a lot of swaps, but she gave me all this. And all this was in this beautiful box. The lotion, the paper clips, the pocket letter, my little box of die cuts flowers, my little box with my monogram and some tea, my beautiful wand with my month on it, this beautiful towel bunny, and I don't think it's gonna fit in there. I'm gonna move the box here, and my beautiful mason jar fairy. Oh, I'm gonna treasure all this, Cynthia, with all my heart, because what you have done is doesn't have, you know, I God bless you from the bottom of my heart. You make my day feel better. This is so precious, and I can feel the dedication that you put in every single item in here. So I am a little teary, but it's tears of joy, because it hasn't been a long time since I had this kind of event where we're doing Nature of God, and you went far beyond. Thank you very much, Cynthia. Thank you, Bibiana, for hosting this event. Again, if you want to check, the channel is called Crafting, Writing, and Painting in Facebook. It's a closed group. We have around 200 and something members, and I was blessed with Cynthia. Cynthia, I got you deep in my heart, and you have a friend in me. So thank you very much for such beautiful presentation and for all the wonderful goodies. I don't have words to express it, but I'm very thankful. Thank you, everybody, for watching. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.